Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to see that how we can create folders using CMD. This video is not going to be all commands, but this is really basic commands that you can create a document or folder, and how you can enter to that folder, and how you can go back, and also how you can create, and also how you can delete it. So we are going to try to make this folder for different locations. So as you can see, we have this removal drive, so we are going to create a folder inside that, and also we are going to create a folder in our desktop. So now we are going to press Windows key and R to bring this R command. As you can see, we are going to type cmd and hit enter. Also you can find it if you click on the start menu. So currently I'm using Windows 11, so if you're using a different version, so this command is definitely going to work for you. I will make some other videos about complete command for the CMD. This is only basics, and that is going to give you an idea that how you can use these commands with the command prompt or with this CMD. So now we are going to type the address or the drive letter for my removal drive. As you can see, now we are enter. So if you type your drive with the double dot, it means you are going to enter to that drive. So if I want to exit from here, so simply I'm going to type exit, so everything is going to exit from here. So CMD is going to show me again this default location, which is c/user/firdaus. So now as you can see, we are going to again type, if you type this G letter capital, so if you put double dot on it, so again you can enter to that drive. So here we are going to create a document. So for the document we have this command that we can use, mkdir, make us this directory. So we are going to make this directly as Sahel. So now this folder directory is created. So we are going to create some more. So we are going to create data, and also we are going to make like sheet, make directory for sheet. So now if I type cd double dot, so simply nothing is going to happen because this cd has changed directory. So if I want to go inside one of these folders, so simply I'm going to type cd, and now I'm going to type the directory name. So now we have how many directories? 3 directories: Sahel, data, and sheet. So first we are going to enter with Sahel. So we are going to type Sahel. As you can see, now we are inside this Sahel directory. Let me show you. Here we have this folders, as you can see, Sahel, data, and we have this sheet which we already create using this CMD. So now if I want to go back to this drive, so I can see everything, so you can see nothing is here. So if I type dir, we want to see everything that's available here. So when I type this directory or dir, so it says volume in drive gs disk, volume serial number is this, and also directory for g Sahel is, as you can see, nothing is going to show up, it's 0 bytes. So let me go back. So how you can go back? You're going to use this cd space double dot. So we're going to type cd space double dot. So now we are back inside our drive. So now if I want to see every files and folders that available inside my drive, so what I need to type? I need to type like dir. So now it's going to list me all these directories like new folders, Sahel, data, and many more. So as you can see, now if we want to create some more documents here, so we are going to use this same command. So again, I'm going to enter cd with this data. So we are going to hit enter. So again, we are inside this directly that we have no files available. So now we are going to try to make some folders. At the end, we are going to remove these folders from this location and also from the location that we are going to create these folders now. So we are going to press and we are going to go to this C drive. So if I click C double dot, so again I'm going to enter here. So if I close this CMD, if I use this Windows key and or command again, type or hit enter, then we can type here, like we can directly type or drive and we can enter. So again, if I type this G and hit enter, so I'm again at this here. So if I type this C with double dots, so enter, so again you are going to be in the default location when this CMD is going to start. So as you can see now, let me type directory so I can see all my directories. So as you can see, for this Firdaus, I have all these directories. Maybe you watch one of our videos about how we can take backups from the important files of our Windows. So this is really important files of our users that we need to take backup before reinstalling or refresh installing our Windows. So be careful when you're going to install your Windows. All of your data could be lost from this C drive, which is a default location for your Windows OS. So we are going to try to make a folder here. So we are going to enter this desktop. So we are going to type like cd and we are going to type this desktop. So now we are inside the desktop. Let's make type dir and see. You can find this find txt and also we have this data. So now we are going to make some directories, mkdir, and we are going to make Sahel. Again, we are going to type this, or by pressing arrow keys, the command is going to show up, the recent command that you use. So we are going to type this data, and as you can see, I put a space after this data. I have to remove that space. So now if I hit enter, it's already exists. As you can see, we received this message already exists. I think for this is going to be like make directory for sheet, and if I give a space, again is going to create. I mean that in space is not going to do anything. If I give it more space, so simply if I click, so this folders already exists, so that's why it's going to show up this folders exists. It means that if you put a space, nothing is going to change anything while you're going to create your documents. So now if I want to remove this folder from these directories, so now we need to type this command. So we are going to type rmdir and we need to type the folder name. So now I want to delete this or remove this Sahel folder. So here simply I'm going to type this, so it's going to delete or remove this Sahel. So now we are going to use this sheet, remove this sheet. So as you can see, this sheet is also removed, and I will show you that how if we are going to use this. So how this is going to delete this is going to completely delete this. But if you create a document right over here, so as you can see, if I am going to press delete, so this is going to be inside this recycle bin. So this rm directory means that you are going to permanently delete these folders from your computer. So we are going to remove it from here. So now we are going to type dir and we are going to type rm. and we are going to type like Sahel, and again we are going to use arrow keys to bring this command again. So now we are going to type like data, and also for the sheet. So now we are going to see the directories. As you can see, nothing is going to show up. Also we are going to press Windows key and E. So now as you can see, no folders available, only this folder, that if you want to, we are going to put the name right here. We are going to make a copy, and now if it's selected, press enter. So now we are going to bring that command rmdir, and we are going to paste this new folder. So I think this folder is something happened here, so the system cannot find file specific. So let's try make a folder over here by default, and we are going to delete that as well. So we are going to name this FER. So now if I come here and type this dir, so we are going to again use this rm dir. So we are going to type er for the folder, hit enter. So if you go to your drive, definitely you can't see anything over here. So now you know how to use these commands with command prompt in Windows to create your document, and also you know how to delete it permanently. So we want to make another videos complete tutorial or complete video about how to use these Windows commands, because this is really important to know all these commands. But in this video I think it's going to take too time, so that's why I'm going to end this video at here. So thanks guys for watching my video until now, and if you like this video and if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.